Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok switch account button missing. So if the switch account button is missing on TikTok, try these fixes. So make sure you have multiple accounts added. So the switch account option only appears if you've added more than one TikTok account. So to check, open TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap your username at the top. If only one account appears, tap on add account and log in to another account. Next method is to update TikTok. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok and update the TikTok app to the latest version. So annotated app version can cause menu options to disappear. So make sure you install any available updates and use the latest version. Next, another thing you can do is to force close and reopen the app. Sometimes the account menu fails to load correctly. So close TikTok completely just like so. Reopen it and check the profile menu again and see if that works. Another thing you can do is to clear TikTok cache. So open TikTok and go to your profile, then go to menu at the top right, then go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and look for free up space. Tap on that and tap on clear besides cache. Tap on clear once more and wait for it to be cleared. And that's it. You can also try to log out and log back in. So go back, then scroll down, and you should see log out option. Tap on that and log back in and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.